Welcome guys to the Get Bigger leg workout from the Living Large book program. Today is tension day. We are doing back squats, superset with standing calf raises. All right, this is our heavy day. So we're doing 10 sets of 5. This is an awesome protocol with a lot of volume with heavy weights. And that's the secret to building muscle faster, guys. Creating a great workout that allows you to do those two things. All right, so we need the right rest periods, we need the right tempo, and that's what I'm gonna show you. Also gonna give you guys some cues here to get the most out of these two exercises. Very simple, 2 exercises, then at the end of the workout we'll do some touch-up sets for hamstrings and for abdominals. All right, let's get into it. This is the workout that's gonna help you build muscle faster because we're gonna teach your nervous system how to recruit more muscle so that when we go back to our bodybuilding style workouts, we're gonna have more available to fatigue, which is another mechanism of muscle growth. So let's get into it. We want to use a weight that you can stick with for all 10 sets of 5. So we want to start heavy, and if you start losing reps because you're fatiguing, you can reduce the weight. We do a warm-up set of 10 reps, then a second warm-up set of 6 reps, then a third warm-up set of 3 reps, and then I just want you to keep doing singles until you do your last single with about 20 pounds heavier than your first working set. All right, so I'll give you an example. Today, my goal for the squats, for the back squats, is 10 sets of 5 with 275 pounds. So I'm gonna go up to a single with 295, and that's what's called a potentiation set. It's just a single set where you go heavier than the rest of your working sets. So you always do one potentiation set before you get into the working sets, and you're gonna get a far more productive workout. So what we got here is our workout today is back squats, superset with standing calf machine, all right? 10 sets of 5, and then we've got 10 sets of 10. What we're doing is we're taking a 1-minute rest between the back squat and the standing calf machine. And then we're taking a full 3 minutes between the calf machine and the back squat. So that's gonna give you well over 4 minutes of rest. So that's why we're able to go heavy today. We're letting our nervous system recover. You've got to stop comparing your behind the scenes with other people's highlight reels. This is your workout. You need to embrace where you are today, the work you've put in so far, all right? And you've got to embrace what you need to beat today to become the next version of you. So get in tune with where you are today and where you want to go, and that's when you're gonna start having your best workouts, and that's when you're gonna see your best body. If you guys want next level motivation, you gotta listen to Pastor TD Jakes. This is the man right here. Anything from Motiversity, Best of TD Jakes, You Can Do It, Breakthrough Hell. These things here, you can literally live off of for years. This is the most powerful speaker I've ever heard. Even my pastor, Stephen Furtick, learns from this guy here. He is inspired by this guy. So this guy is the man. Anthony Robbins, Gary Vee, great guys, Les Brown, awesome, but none of these guys got anything on TD Jakes. You gotta get this guy plugged into your ears. We're gonna finish the workout with some hamstring and ab touch-up sets. 2 sets of 8 to 10. We'll do our V-up with the med ball, and then we're gonna do a lying leg curl. Again, this isn't meant to destroy you or kill you, or you don't need to crush it on this. This is just to stimulate the muscle, all right? It's a nice little way to get extra stimulus, a little extra work, a little extra volume on your muscles spread out through the course of the week. This is not meant to put you in the hole. In fact, what it might help you do is recover from the previous hamstring, the previous ab workout that was a full session. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, I want to invite you to accept the same challenge that I've already made to literally tens of thousands of guys, and that's to build muscle in the most direct and effective manner without drugs. So I encourage you to make the commitment today to building your body the natural way, without bogus supplements and in less time. That's what people want to see, and that's your opportunity. So if you don't have the book, we've sold out over 2,000 copies just in the last month, and I've just bought another 1,000 copies, so don't miss out again. Click the link on the screen. I'll ship you a copy to your front door, and you can get the 30-week muscle building blueprint to build muscle the natural way. Same way that I've helped tens of thousands of guys do over the years. Now it's your turn. Join us, or else you're gonna keep doing what you're doing and you're gonna keep getting what you're getting. Here's your opportunity to decide to get a different result. Buy the book right now. All you do is cover shipping and it's yours. Have a great day, and thank you so much for your time.